Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve Excel assignment Exp22 Excel chapter 4 cumulative assessment auto sales. Basically this is new course that has been introduced in 2022. I can do assignment for you. I can do this complete course for you. If you want me to do assignment for you, if you want me to do complete course for you, contact me on WhatsApp or email given in description box. You can hire me other courses as well as like business management, finance, accounting, information technology, computer science. Now that is start this assignment from step 1. Step 1 is download your file. You can download file from my Myitlab dashboard. That is the step number 1 and move to step number 2. Step number 2 is freeze the first row on the fleet information worksheet. Freeze to top row. That is already had been done. Step number 3. Step number 3 is convert the data to a table. Name the table inventory and apply the code table stat medium 19. Convert the table data, table design, copy inventory, paste, paste inventory, apply the code table style medium 19, medium 19, medium 18 and gold table style medium 19. Then step number 3 is done. Step number 4, remove duplicate record. Remove duplicate record. Yes. Step number 5. Step number 5 is sort the table by making alphabetically order. Add a second level to sort by years smallest to longest, and a third level to sort by sticker price smallest to largest. Going to worksheet. Sort filter, custom, make cell values A to Z, years and sticker price. That done. Step number 5. Step number 6. Step number 6 is repeat the field names on all pages. Repeat the field names on all pages. All pages. Names, page layout. This one is how to repeat your top. Okay. If you want to remain in part of this assignment. If you want other solution of assignments, contact me by WhatsApp or email ID given in description box of these videos. Thank you. Have watched my videos. Goodbye.